Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 34 of Qaida, and it is related to the long vowel. And we already learned that there are basically three naturally long vowel in Quran, and those are Alif Sakina followed by Fatha, Waw Sakina followed by Dhamma, and Ya Sakina followed by Kasra. These are the basic long vowels in Quran. And this page is related to the second long vowel, Waw Sakina qablaha madmum, Waw Sakina followed by Dhamma. So can you see here, Waw is sakin, and before Waw Sakina there is any letter. That here could be any letter with, but the condition is it should be with Dhamma. It should be with Pesh. Okay, ji. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Ooh, it is 2 counts long. Ooh, and make sure you circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Ooh, boo, do. Circle your lips very well, as if you want to see your lips with your eyes. You should be able to see them out of your, like, it should be that circled. Fu, ju, hu, hu. Make sure the letters which are heavy, you should make it heavy. Hu, do, do, ru, zu, su, shu, su, du, u, vu, ru. All the letters, all these vowels are 2 counts long. Ru, fu, u, gu, lu, mu, nu, wu, hu, u, you. Okay, so we are moving to the next section, and that is the practice of it. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Ooh, this is 2 counts long, and you're circling your lips for Dhamma. Ooh, ti is short, ya is short. Ooh, tiya. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and that will make it 2 counts long vowel too, because ya sakina followed by kasra. So this is 2 counts long too, if you will stop. Uti, woo. Circle your lips very well. Make it 2 counts long. Actually, why this is 2 counts long? This oo, because Dhamma sound is oo and Waw sound is oo. When 2 oo sounds are together, it makes naturally long oo sound. Boo, ri. Ra is slight here, because whenever Ra is with Kasra, it is light, and light Ra sounds like ri. Boo, ri, ka. Kaf is light, and the sound is short. Boo, ri, ka. How will you stop? You will simply give sukoon at the end, and Kaf with sukoon will get sifa of hams, and hams is a flow of breath. فحسه شخص سكت are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of hams, and hams is a flow of breath. Burik, hu, 2 counts long. Why? Because Waw sound of Waw is oo, and Dhamma sound is oo. So these oo sounds make longer oo, hu, urun. You'll give sifat tawassut at the end. Make sure you circle your lips for Dhamma, and tawassut is because you are pronouncing tanween. Because in tanween, one dhamma is dhamma, and the other dhamma which you are looking here is actually noon sakin. So whenever you will pronounce this noon sakin, you will give sifa of tawassut, because this noon sakin is part of lin umar. Lin umar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. So when you will say the tanween, you will give sifa of tawassut. And how will you say hurun? This sound is tawassut. You are giving a medium flow of sound, not too long, not too short, medium flow of sound. Hurun. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. You will remove these dhammatain, and you will give sukoon. And raw with sukoon will get again sifa tawassut, because this is part of lin umar. Look, here is raw. And the other thing, before this temporary sukoon, you found that two counts long vowel is following it. So what you will do, this temporary sukoon will not tolerate two counts long um, uh, sound, but it will change it into four counts. And this is called mad arid lisukun. This is called mad arid lisukun. Woo, circle your lips very well. For wow, circle your lips. For dhamma, circle your lips. So you are circling your lips very well. But the sound is short. Woo, ju is two counts long. Why? Because this matches this combination. And this is a naturally long vowel. Wow sakina followed by dhamma. Wow sakina, when there is a dhamma before it, will make two counts long sound. Woo, ju, hun. You will give the wasat because you are pronouncing tanween. You remember that this second noon tanween the second dhamma is noon sakin. So whenever you are pronouncing this noon sakin, you are giving tawassut. The tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Hun. You're not saying hun. You're not saying hun. You're not giving a very short sound, or you are not making it extra flow in sound, but you are giving a medium flow of sound, that is un, wujuhun. Okay, how will you start then? You will give temporary sukoon on ha. And before temporary sukoon, what you saw there is a two counts long vowel. Whenever you find temporary sukoon followed by two counts long vowel, you will change it into four counts. This is called mad arid lisukun. So you will make it two counts long, and you will stop at ha, and ha will get sifa of rakhawa, because ha with sukoon has a sifa of rakhawa. Wuju, two, circle your lips well, make it two counts long. Uru, tu, uru, na, tu, na. How will you start? There are two long vowels, so it could be possible that there can be multiple two counts long vowel in one word. It can be possible. So tu, ru, na. And how will you stop? You will give temporary sukoon, and with the sukoon, noon will get tawassut. This is for sure. Okay. And second thing, that if you find two counts long vowel followed by this this temporary sukoon followed by two counts long vowel, you will change this two counts long vowel into four counts long, and that is called mad arid lisukun. So this will be turun. And will this two counts long be affected? No. When you are changing the two counts long vowel, that will be the one immediate before the temporary sukoon. Yes, it will be affected. These two will get involved in Maddah sukoon, not the mad before it. Okay. Turun. This is the at Do. Do comes long. La short. Then you are giving the tawassut because you are pronouncing tanween, and you know that one fatha is fatha and the other fatha is noon sakin. So whenever you are pronouncing noon sakin, you are giving medium flow of sound. So dulatan. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end on ha, and you remember that this circled ha is always changed into a ha when it gets waqf. When you will give waqf, this ta will circle ta will be changed into ha. So the sound will be dula, and ha will get rukhawa because whenever ha is with sukoon, will get sifa of rukhawa, and rukhawa is flow of sound. There should be a very nice flow of sound. Dula. La short. Dhu, two comes long vowel. La dhu. So what you will do when you find two counts long vowel at the very end, nothing is after that. How will you stop? You will do nothing. It will stay the same. La dhu. Zoo, two counts long vowel. Wow, sakina followed by dhamma is two counts long vowel. This is a two counts long vowel, so you make it two counts long. Zoo, sound is long. Run, you are giving tawassut because you are pronouncing tanween, because you know that one fatha is fatha and the other one is nun sakin. So whenever you are pronouncing nun sakin, you will simply give a sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow sound that will be run. This sound is tanween. Run. How will you start? You will simply, whenever you find fathat tanween, fathatain, these two zabar, you will remove one. You will remove one simply. And what you find, it will be like this. What is left? This is raw, two counts long. Yes. Yes. So you are exchanging the sound of tanween into two counts long vowel. This is called mad iwad. You are exchanging one thing to another, one sound to another. So this is called mud that you are stretching. That was not two counts long vowel. Now it is two counts long. So you are stretching because of the exchange of the sounds. So this is why it is called mud. So it is heavy, so you will write capital H. It is two counts long vowel because wow sakina followed by dhamma is two counts long vowel. This is a two counts long vowel, so you are making it two counts long. Su, the sound is long. Ri, in ra over here is short because whenever ra has a kasra, it is light sound. Ri, su, ri. Okay, how will you start? You will give sukoon. So ra with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut, because this is part of lenamar. Whenever these letters are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut. Number one. Number two, this is a temporary sukoon, and before temporary sukoon, you found two counts long vowel, and this temporary sukoon will affect this midget before it. You will find the two counts long vowel immediate before it. Then this temporary sukoon will affect this two counts long vowel and change it into four counts. This is called mad'arid lis-sukoon. So when you will give waqf, you will stop at the end. You will make this two counts long vowel, change it into four, and give a tawassut at the end on ra. Su, and ra will be heavy because ra will be with sukoon, and before ra sakin, you find dhamma on sad, that will make a ra heavy. Su, Yeah, is short. Su, circle your lips very well and make it 2 counts long because wow sakina is followed by dhamma. It is a long vowel, so this is one long vowel. Mu, this is second long vowel, and you're making it 2 counts long. Mu, yeah, su, mu. The way you are making su long, you're making mu long too. Yeah, su, mu, na, na. Noon is short. Okay, how will you give waqf? Yes, tell me. Yes, you will simply give sukoon at the end, and noon will sukoon will get tawassut. That is for sure because this is part of lin umar, and lin umar. The letters whenever these are with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut. Number one. Number two, there is the temporary sukoon here, and before temporary sukoon you found 2 counts long vowel. So this temporary sukoon will affect this 2 counts long vowel which was immediate before it. Immediate before it. It will not affect this one, but it will affect this temporary sukoon will affect only the long vowel which is right before it. Okay, so this will change 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. Now it will be 4 counts long when you will give waqf at the end. You will stop at the end. Yes, su will stay 2, and mu will be changed 4 counts long because of this temporary sukoon. Yes, su mu. And on noon you give the wasut. This sound is the wasut. Yasumun. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa tu. Ta is heavy, so we will write capital H. And this is 2 counts long vowel. So make sure you make it heavy. You make it 2 counts long because wow sakina qablaha matmum. Wow sakin, and wow sakin is followed by dhamma. Waquri. Ra is light here because whenever ra is with kasra, it has a light sound. Ri. Waquri. This is how you will say in continuation. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and ra will get sifa of tawassut because this is part of lin umar, and lin umar are the letters whenever these are with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut. Number one. Number two, this is a temporary sukoon, and temporary sukoon is followed by 2 counts long vowel. So this temporary sukoon will affect this 2 counts long vowel which is immediate before it and change it into 4 counts long sound. Okay, so now it is 4 counts long. So how will you stop? Well, and ra will get the wasut, and it will be heavy because ra sukoon will check the sound, will check the letter before it. If it is with dhamma, then ra will be heavy. Watur. Hamza is a sharp sound. It is a shidda sound, very sharp sound. Fatha, for fatha, open your jaws. The sound should be very sharp and short. Ru, ain from your throat, and circle your lips for dhamma and make it 2 counts long. Ru. This is a 2 counts long vowel. So you're making this sound long. This is short. Ru. And then this is du. For dhamma, circle your lips. For the makhraj of dal is when you are touching the edge of your tip of your tongue. When your tip of your tongue will touch the edge of your frontal 2 teeth is the makhraj of dal, and the sound is short, and you have to circle your lips. Du, ru, du. Now, how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So, dal with sukoon will get sifa of rakhawa. So the sound shouldn't stop. The sound should flow. Okay, the ra says it has the sound should flow. Okay. Secondly, this temporary sukoon is followed by the 2 counts long vowel. So this temporary sukoon will affect this 2 counts long vowel, which was sitting right behind it, and will change it into 4 counts long now. So this is not anymore 2 counts long, it is 4 counts long now. So how will you say a? And the sound should flow. The sound of the vowel should flow. أعوذ أعوذ. Ta is short. Fu, fa will get sifa of hums. Fa in any state. Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra, Sukoon, any state, it will get hums, and hums is a flow of breath. So this sound should be there. This sound. And it is 2 counts long too, because Waaw Sakina followed by Dhamma. This is the combination to make any letter long. Ta, fu, uru. Ra is heavy here, because whenever Ra is with Dhamma or Fatha, it is heavy. The heavy Ra sounds like uru, ru. Okay. Ta, fu, ru. Now, how will you stop? How will you give waqf at the end? You will give sukoon at the end. So Ra with sukoon will get sifa of the wasut first of all, because this is part of plenomar, and whenever these letter, and Ra is one of them, right? Look, this is sitting here. So when a Ra with sukoon will get sifa, and so Ra with sukoon will get sifa of the wasut, that the wasut is a medium flow of sound. Number 1. Number 2, how will you stop? This is a temporary sukoon, and whenever temporary sukoon is followed by the 2 counts long vowel, then this temporary sukoon will affect this 2 counts long vowel, which was right behind it. This will change it into 4 counts long. Now it is not 2 counts long anymore, it is 4 counts long. The Ra will be heavy, because Ra with sukoon will will check the letter before it. When it is with Dhamma, Ra will be heavy. So Ra is heavy and will get sifa of the wasut when you will give waqf at the end. Ta is short. Ku is 2 counts long, and Kaf is light letter. No. For Dhamma, make sure for every Dhamma you circle your lips, the sound is short. No. Takunu. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So noon with sukoon will get sifa of the wasut. Number 1. And this is a temporary sukoon. So if you find temporary sukoon followed by 2 counts long vowel, then this temporary sukoon will affect this 2 counts long vowel, which was right before it. Then it will change it into 4 counts. So how will you say? Takun. And with noon, you will give the wasat. Takun. Yeah, it's short, and this is 2 counts long. Oh, sorry, it is 1. It is short. Yeah, it's short. Qaf is heavy. It is 2 counts. Qaf is heavy, and it is 2 counts long. Vowel 2, because Waaw Sakina followed by Dhamma. 2 counts long vowel. Yeah, Lu is 2 counts long too, because Waaw followed by Dhamma. Yaquluna. Na is short. Yaquluna. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So noon will sukoon will get sifa of the wasut. And this is a temporary sukoon. Whenever temporary sukoon is followed by the 2 counts long vowel, so this temporary sukoon will affect this 2 counts long vowel, which was right before it, and change it into 4 counts long. Now it will be 4 counts long. Yaqulun. And you will give the wasut unknown. You, for Dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Why? Because Waaw Sakina followed by Dhamma makes any letter long, 2 counts long. You, fu, give hums on, fa, fu. This sound should be there, and it is 2 counts long. Fu, na is short. You, fu, na. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and sukoon with noon with sukoon will get sifa of the wasut. And this is a temporary sukoon. If temporary sukoon is followed by 2 counts long vowel, this temporary sukoon will affect that 2 counts long vowel and change it into 2 counts long. This is called mad arid lisakun. Yufun. Will this temporary sukoon affect this very first long vowel? No. It will affect only the long vowel which was right before it. Otherwise, no. Okay. Poo, cough, for cough is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Poo, lu. This is a long vowel. Why? Because wow, wow sakina, and before wow sakina you found 2 counts for dhamma. That is 2 counts long. Lu, ulu, wun. You will give the wasat because you're pronouncing tanween. And you know that the second one dhamma is dhamma, the second dhamma is noon sakin. So whenever you are pronouncing that noon sakin, you are giving the wasat. Qulubun. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So ba with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala, because qutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. And this is a temporary sukoon, and if you find temporary sukoon followed by 2 counts long vowel, this temporary sukoon will affect this 2 counts long vowel and change it into 4 counts long. Now this is 4 counts long, and this is called maddah arid lisakun. Qulub, and ba will get sifa of qalqala. Shu is for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Hu, this is 2 counts long vowel. Why? Because wow sakina followed by dhamma, and this is 2 counts long. Hu, shu, short. Hu, 2 counts long. Dun, whenever you are pronouncing tanween, you are giving sifa of the wasut because there is noon sakin hidden in it. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and dal with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala because dal is among letters of qutubu jaddin, and whenever qutubu jaddin are the letters, whenever these are with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. So number 1, dal will get sifa of qalqala. Number 2, whenever you find temporary sukoon followed by 2 counts long vowel, this temporary sukoon will affect it and change it into 4 counts long now. So how will you stop? Shuhud. Qu, for dhamma, circle your lips. Qaf is a heavy letter, make it heavy. Qu. This is 2 counts long vowel. Waw sakina, qablaha madmum. So waw sakin followed by dhamma. This is 2 counts long vowel. Dun. This you are pronouncing the neen. It will get zip of the wasut because noon is hidden in it. Qu'udun, how will you stop? You will give temporary sukoon, and with this sukoon, dal will get sifa of qalqala, and qutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Secondly, this temporary sukoon will affect the 2 counts long vowel which was sitting right before it and change it into 4 counts long. Now this is 4 counts long now. Su, force and dhamma, circle your lips. Make sure you engage the right makhraj of tha, and tha is pronounced when you are touching tip of your tongue with the edge of your frontal 2 teeth. And for dhamma, circle your lips, and this sound is short. Su, Boo, boo is 2 counts long vowel because wow sakina followed by dhamma. Thu, boo, boo, 2 counts long. Run. So you are giving sifa of the wasut because you are pronouncing the neen because you know that there is a noon hidden in it. And whenever noon sakin is there, you are giving sifa of the wasut. Suburan. Okay, how will you stop? Whenever there is a fathatain, 2 zabar, you will simply remove 1 fatha. What is left? This is 2 counts long vowel is left. So you are extending the sound of tanween into mad letters. So this mad is called mad. You are stretching any letter because of an exchange of anything. So in exchange of 2 sounds, you are stretching it. This is why it is called mad. So how will you stop? Thubura. It will be 2 counts long. Thubura. Yeah is soft. Fatha, open your jaws, attach with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Lim number are the letters whenever these are with sukoon. And ain is one of them, will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Yeah. La is short. Mu. For the circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Sound. Mu. Na. يعلمون. Now, how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. Noon will sukoon, with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut. And this temporary sukoon will affect the long vowel right before it and change it into 4 counts. This is called maddah lis sukoon. So, how will you stop? يعلمون. And you will get tawassut at the end. Ain from your throat. It is 2 counts long. B is short. Do is 2 counts long vowel. Na short. Na. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and this will noon with sukoon will get sifa the wasut, and this temporary sukoon will affect the long vowel right before it and change it into 4 counts. Now you will make this long vowel into 4 counts long vowel. Abidu. Will this temporary sukoon affect the 2 counts long vowel over here? No, not at all, because this temporary sukoon only affects the long vowel which is right before it. If it's not there, it will not affect. Okay. Ha is 2 counts long. Fi is short, and it will get sifa of hums. And ha will be from your throat. Ha, fi. This flow of breath should be there. Fi, and for kasra give e sound. Ha, fi, vu. For dhamma, circle your lips, and dha is heavy, and make it 2 counts long because this is a long vowel. Hafizuna. Na is short. How will you stop? You will give temporary sukoon at the end. Noon will get sifa of tawassut. This temporary sukoon will affect the long vowel right before it and change it into 4 counts. And this is called maddah lis sukoon. Hafizun. Where for wow, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long because this is long vowel, and this matches first combination alif sakina followed by fatha. So wari, ri is short. Thu, 2 counts long. Na short. Wari suna. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and noon with sukoon will get sifa of the wasut, and this temporary sukoon will affect the long vowel right before it and change it into 4 counts long, and it will be very soon. Mus. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with seen. Seen will get rafawa, seen will get safid. There should be a whistle sound. The sound shouldn't stop. It should flow very well because this is part of Rokhawa. Musli, D is short. Mu, 2 counts long vowel. Na, short. Muslimuna. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and noon will sukoon will get sifa of the wasut. And secondly, this temporary sukoon will affect the long vowel right before it and change it into 4 counts. So now it is 4 counts long now. Muslimun. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد